All right, my guys, it's your favorite Jamaican back at it again. It's a new year. If you're anything like me, you have a new year resolution, right? Mine is to eat better, get in shape, and just eat cleaner. So today, I got something very special for you. Nice, light, and delicious. It's a jerk shrimp tacos with pineapple, mango, and all the delicious flavor. And you can't forget about the jerk. From Grace, it's the best. Flame on, baby, let's go. And get some oil in the pan. Lay it away from you, all the way around. Get some beautiful color on these shrimp. We're gonna flip it over. Let's toast our taco shells. We got some butter, some corn tortilla. The beauty about jerk is it's pure natural ingredients. Ingredients from the island, stuff that we use every day, just in one jar for you to go grab it. You get some cabbage in there. Got some bell peppers for colors and also that crunch. We got some grilled pineapple for that sweetness. We got some mangoes, the green bell peppers. I'm gonna get that shrimp, little cilantro, get some lime on that bad boy. Got some pineapple ginger glaze here. If you're new to jerk, don't be afraid of it. A little bit go a long way. In Jamaica, you say a little toops. Just a little bit. Going in, baby. This is Jamaica all the way in one taco shell. This jerk though, give it a try. What are you waiting for? I'll see you later. Let's go!